Hello children, in this class we are going to start the poem The Rebel, and this poem is written by DJ Enright. So let's start. When everybody has short hair, the rebel lets his hair grow long. When everybody has long hair, the rebel cuts his hair short. Okay, rebel is a person who always does the opposite what all the people do. Here, poet told us that when everybody cuts their hair in a short size, the rebel grow his hair long. He do exactly the opposite of the people, and when the people's hair are long, they cut his short hair. Cut his hair short. যখন সবাই চুল ছোট করে কাটে তখন রেবেল চুল বড় করে রাখে, এবং যখন সবাই চুল ছোট করে কাটে বড় রাখে তখন রেবেল তার চুলটা ছোট রাখে। When everybody talks during the lesson, the rebel doesn't say a word. When nobody talks during the lesson, the rebel creates a disturbance. When everybody talks in the lesson, the rebel do not speak a word. He remain calm. And when nobody talks in the lesson, the rebel create a disturbance. যখন সবাই ক্লাসের সময় কথা বলে তখন রেবেল চুপ করে থাকে, এবং সবাই যখন চুপ করে ক্লাস শুনে তখন রেবেল কি করে, ডিস্টার্ব করে সবাইকে। When everybody wears fantastic clothes, the rebel dresses soberly. When everybody wears a uniform, the rebel dresses in fantastic clothes. And when everybody wears fantastic clothes, the rebel dresses soberly. When everybody wears the uniform, school uniform, the rebel wears very stylish clothes. And when everyone wears very stylish clothes, rebel dresses normally. যখন সবাই স্কুল ইউনিফর্ম পরে থাকে তখন রেবেল খুব সুন্দর সুন্দর জামা কাপড় পরে, আর যখন সবাই খুব সুন্দর জামা কাপড় পরে তখন রেবেল তার পোশাক খুব নর্মাল পোশাক পরে। নেক্সট, in the company of dog lover, the rebel expresses a preference for cats. In the company of cat lovers, the rebel puts in a good word for dogs. When he was among the dog lovers, he praises the cat, and when he among the cat lovers, he tell very good words about dogs. যখন সে ডগ লাভারদের সঙ্গে থাকে তখন সে ক্যাটের জন্য ভালো কথা বলে, আর যখন ক্যাট লাভারদের কাছে থাকে তখন ডগের জন্য ভালো কথা বলে। When everybody is praising the sun, the rebel remarks on the need for rain. And when everybody is greeting the rain, the rebel regrets the absence of sun. When everyone told very good words about sun, rebel told that rain is very good. And when everybody greeting the rain, the rebel told that sun is good. যখন সবাই বলে যে সূর্য ভালো তখন রেবেল বলে যে বৃষ্টি চাই, আর যখন সবাই বৃষ্টিকে ভালো বলে তখন রেবেল বলে যে সূর্যকে চাই। নেক্সট, when everybody goes to the meeting, the rebel stays at home and reads a book. When everybody stays at home and reads a book, the rebel goes to the meeting. When everybody goes to the meeting, rebel do not go to the meeting. He stays at home, and he do exactly opposite when everybody stays at the home. যখন সবাই মিটিংয়ে যায় তখন রেবেল যায় না মিটিংয়ে, সে বাড়িতে বসে বই পড়ে, এবং যখন সবাই বাড়িতে বসে বই পড়ে তখন রেবেল মিটিংয়ে যায়। Whenever everybody says yes please, the rebel says no thank you. When everybody says no thank you, the rebel says yes please. When everybody agrees to something, rebel do not agree with them, and when everybody disagree with something, rebel agree with that thing. যখন সবাই বলে যে হ্যাঁ নিশ্চয়ই, মানে কোনো জিনিসে রাজি হয়, তখন রেবেল বলে না, আর যখন সবাই বলে না এটা দরকার নেই, তখন রেবেল বলে হ্যাঁ দরকার। It is very good that we have rebels. You may not find it very good to be one. It is very good to rebel in our character, but it is not always good to be rebel, because it is good if there is a wrong happenings, it is good, but if it is right, you need not to be rebel. ওই বলছেন যে এখানে রেবেল হওয়া খুবই ভালো জিনিস, কিন্তু সব সময় রেবেল হওয়া ঠিক নয়। যখন খারাপ কাজ হচ্ছে তখন তুমি রেবেল হও, কিন্তু যখন সঠিক কাজ হচ্ছে তখন রেবেল হওয়ার দরকার নেই। ওকে, দিস ইজ দ্য এন্ড অফ দ্য পোয়েম। Now we are going to solve the exercise. Working with the poem, answer the following question. Some questions are given, you have to answer the questions. If someone does not wear a uniform to school, what do you think the teacher will say? The teacher would scold the student who would not be dressed in the school uniform while coming to the school. Next, when everyone wants a clear sky, what does the rebel want most? The answer is, when everyone wants the clear sky, the rebel wants the sun. If the rebel has a dog for a pet, what is everyone else likely to have? If a rebel has a dog for pet, the others are most likely to be cat lovers. Why it is good to have rebels? It is good to have rebels because they are different and they teach us to be able to accept and tolerate differences. Why it is good to be why it is not good to be rebels oneself? It is not good to be rebel oneself because the society never accepts a rebel and always critiques his behavior. Next, would you like to be rebel? If yes, why? If not, why not? I would like to be rebel because this question you can write this answer according to you. I would like to be rebel because a rebel is able to think individually rather than following the herd mentality. However, it is not easy to be rebel, as the rebels are always critiqued by the society for their different behavior. Okay, I write those both type of answer. You can modify it according to you. Next, in question number 2, some words are given and you have to write the opposite word of those words. Long, short, grow, cut, quietness, disturbance, sober, fantastic, lost, find. Next question, find in the poem lines that match the following. Read the both one after the other. Okay, some lines are given here. You have to write the next line. The rebel refuses to cut his hair. The rebel lets his hair grow long. He says cats are better. He puts in a good word for dogs. He recommended dogs. He has a preference for cats. He is unhappy because there is no sun when everybody is greeting the rain. He is noisy on purpose when nobody talks during the lesson. Okay, students, that's all for now. Thank you.